start recording this class. Once you hear the beep sound, that means recording has started. So that was the beep sound, and yeah, there's still just 9 of us. I'm expecting 18 to be here. No, actually it's 19. So I'll be the 20th. So about 20 of us here. So we wait for a couple minutes for everyone to be here before I will check the attendance. And at the same time, while you're hanging out there, let me share with you the slideshow. Where's this slide? Okay, so in how many of us now? 13. So in about a minute, I'll start checking attendance. Please hold on for a minute, and I will start checking the attendance.
Mr. Eldon.
Yes, Pure.
It's work. Thank you.
The which one? The password, right?
Yes, it
Oh,
works. I
okay,
tried
all right.
yesterday.
Okay, welcome. Oh, by the way, how many? While waiting for, but it's also, if I will inform you about this. Anyway, just a quick announcement. If you notice, I have shared a link to Google Stream. So that link actually is used to review in case you missed the lesson, or if you want to review the lesson for that particular day, you can go to that link and review what we have learned on that day. Okay, that's just for your reference. The purpose of that is for your reference, just in case, especially if you are absent or if you have some important thing to do outside and you cannot join the class. So the link is available for you to be able to review what we have learned for that particular class so that you can catch up with our lesson. So that's the purpose of the link in Google Stream. If you want to review for that particular class or a particular lesson on that day, just go to that link and review it, and you will be able to catch up what we have learned for that particular day. So I think it time's up. There's just 15 of us for now. I hope others will be able to catch up. I'll start checking the attendance. So please prepare to turn on your microphone. If your name is called, please say present. I will call your names depending from my grade, okay, not from the list. So I don't usually look at your names in the Google Meet, but I base it from my grade. So I will directly write if you're present or absent through my grade. So let me call on Ellen.
Yes.
Yeah,
Almond.
sure.
Sam. Calling once. Sam. Calling
Here.
twice. Okay. Bank.
Here.
Joy. Sorry. Joy is already. Wait, I forgot to remove Joy here. Anyway. Hold on. Let me just update. Okay, next, Frank. Calling once, Frank. Calling twice, Frank. Frank. Calling thrice, Frank. Absent. Bob.
Yes.
Sete.
Present.
Fluke.
Here.
Pat in. Calling once, Pat in. Calling twice, Pat in. Calling thrice, absent. Pump. Calling once, Pump.
Yeah, sure.
Karina. Calling once, Karina. Absent. Calling twice, calling thrice. Nan.
Here.
Pure.
Here.
Bell.
Present.
Bella. So there's Bell and there's Bella. So Bella is present, but Bella was here yesterday, right? Calling once, Bella. And Hanu, yeah, Bella was here yesterday. Hanul Choi. Absent today. Oman.
Yes.
Claire. Yeah. Karina. Oh, Karina. Hi, Karina. I saw your. Are you using the school Gmail? Karina. Did you have any difficulties with Google Meet, Karina? Okay, let me review for those who are I mark absent. Frank, calling again, Frank. Absent. Patin. Absent. Bella. So 3 are absent today. Oh, Bella is here. Okay, Bella, did you have any difficulties joining in Google Meet?
Oh, sorry, I had a problem with my computer.
Okay, all right, but it's okay. Is it okay now?
Yep.
I hope okay, all right. So calling again, Frank and Patin, are you here? Frank and Patin. So Frank and Patin are absent today. Anyway, it's okay, save. So just a reminder for those who came just now, if you see the link to Google Stream, the one that I have shared with you, that's the lesson for that particular day. Okay, I will post that one at the end of the day, and that will be your reference for that, for the lesson for that particular day. In case you're absent, we don't know if you have some appointment outside and you will be absent on that particular day. So for you to be able to catch up, then go to that link and you will see what we have discussed on that particular day, because I'm going to record all our online classes. So the link there will serve as a reference for the online class on that particular day. Okay, I hope that is clear. So the purpose of that is for you to be able to catch up as well with the lesson. You don't have to ask me what was the lesson for that particular day. You can just review it from there. Anyway, our classes are recorded and you can see it from there. Thank you. So now it's time to go to our presentation. So I have shared with you our checklist again. We have finished the first 5 topics from the previous days, like the quick online learning guidelines, getting to know, the icebreaker, internet usage, welcome letter, and unwritten rules. So today we will talk more on online learning guidelines. So let me click the slide. So before we go to the online learning guidelines, I have here a few learning quotes. So the first one is from B.B. King. It says, the beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. So that means that you have to learn as much as you can. It's yours. Okay, nobody can take it away from you. And particularly, basically, it's for you to make use of it. So that's the first quote. The second one is from Benjamin Franklin, a very famous quote from him. It says, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn." So when you are involved in activities, you'll be able to learn more than, let's say, if I just tell you what to do or teach you on how to do it, it's easy to forget those things. Okay, you might have forgotten what we have discussed the first few days, but once you are involved, then you will learn more and be able to get more learning if you are involved with such activities. So that's a quote from Benjamin Franklin. And the third one from Confucius. It says, "He who learns but does not think is lost." So be careful with that. If you are learning, but if you are not thinking, you are lost. So we don't want to be lost, right? So we have to think and learn. At the same time, he says, "He who thinks but does not learn is in great danger." So we don't want to be in danger. We don't want to be lost. So it's better to learn and think so that we will not be lost. At the same time, we will not be in great danger. That's from Confucius. So those are the three quotes that we have shared with you today. Now let's go on to our guidelines. So the question here, are you ready for online learning, especially for computer class? We'll find it out. So what we have to do, now it's your time to participate. I have actually, this one is Mr. Ricardo's class RG. Okay, this one. I have posted online readiness form in Google Stream. So go to your Google Apps icon and you will be able to see inside your Google Classroom. Please click Google Classroom. And once you are there, you will see in the Stream tab. And below there, I have sent the computer class online readiness survey link. So please click that link and answer. There are 25 questions. Okay, the first 24, the 1 to 24, you need to answer if you agree, not sure, or disagree. And the 25th question is about the device that you're using for online class. So I can also adjust with my lessons and adjust the speed and adjust about how we're gonna do our classwork depending on what device you are using. So now I'll be giving you about 5 to 10 minutes for the survey form. So please go there and answer the survey form. At the same time, while you are answering, I could also check the form and see if you have responded that one. Oh, 6 already have finished the form. Oh, wow. Okay, so mostly answered. Please be specific with your device, okay? If you're using Windows or Mac. So I will be able to adjust with our lessons, our classworks. And so I will be able to know our speed limit as well. If you are only using smartphones, sometimes there are some limited options. So I need to make some adjustments depending on the device you are using. So as of now, there are 6 who have finished the survey. So we'll wait for others. Those who have finished, just stand by in another maybe 5 minutes, and we'll wait for the others. And once we're done, I will show you another slideshow for the results. Seven have finished the survey. That's great. I can see it from here. Others answered not sure or disagree. That's part of the option there. So that's why I have this survey, so I will know if you are ready or not ready with the online class. Standard. So as what Mr. Anand says a while ago, at the end of the day, it's all about you. Okay? You have to be responsible with your learning style as well. Although we are here to guide you, but at the end of the day, it's still about you. So you have the choice. Understand that learning is my responsibility. So you have the choice there: agree, not sure, or disagree. So now I can see 8 have responded. Oh, now there's 10. Okay, so that's good. And by the way, while waiting for the others to finish, what's that again? Hold on. All right, we're back. I saw 12 responses already, so I think everybody have finished answering the survey. Now let's go to our results. Let's check the result. If you're ready or not, and we'll find it out. Okay, these are the online readiness result. So as you notice, there are actually 24 questions, but for every 4 questions, they were categorized into 6. So for each category, there are 4 questions. So for the expectations, these are the results. To those who have agreed, okay, congratulations. It looks like you have a solid understanding of what is expected of you as a student in an online class. Online learning is a rewarding way to further your education, but it is not easier than a traditional class, and you need to be able to learn independently as well as work with your peers. Yeah, so you are aware that it's different with a traditional class, so there might be challenges along the way, but you clearly understand that at the end of the day, it's still about you. You have to learn. We are just here to guide you. So you agree on that. Congratulations for that. To those who were not sure or disagreed about it, so it looks like you need to re-examine your expectations. Okay, so you have to think and reflect on about your expectations of what it means to be a student in an online class. So online learning is a rewarding way to further your education, but it is not easier than a traditional class. You need to be able to learn independently as well as work with your peers. Let's take a look at the following activities. Okay, there are activities in this online course which we need to discover. There are actually 9 of them. So there's actually more, but I have just summarized them in 9. So online activities may include participating in discussions. Okay, so that's one. The second one, contributing to group projects. Okay, if you are group, you need to contribute as well. Don't just depend with your classmates. Everyone have to contribute. The third one, we also have to take quizzes or tests, but usually for my class, it's more about a module thing, as what Pure asked yesterday. So yeah, not every day will be module. Just have to select some days. There's also reading articles and lecture notes. You have to read it by yourself, all alone. Maybe you will be asked to record videos, practice presentations, explore web resources, do research at the same time, watch videos. So those are activities for online courses. The second category, we have the self-direction. To those who agreed, it seems that you have a good sense of self-direction. Congratulations on that. And a few who were not sure or disagreed, you need to improve your time management skills. So take note here, the keyword time management. Okay, I think this would be difficult, especially if you have a lot of subjects to do. That's why you have to manage your time. Okay, let's say you have particular 6 assignments on that day, so you need to manage. It's all about time management. What happens if the whole day just keep on playing? So it's not balanced. As well as study habits, such as keeping yourself on track, meeting deadlines, working independently. Those are important things to take note before you can be successful in an online learning. You need to set some challenging goals for yourself and commit yourself to achieving them. And so let's consider these online activities again. It's the same as what I have shared a while ago, just review. So participating in discussions, contributing to group projects, taking quizzes, reading articles and lecture notes, recording videos, practicing presentations, exploring web resources, doing research, or watch videos. So that's it for self-direction. And here's the result for learning preferences. So many of us are preferring a quiet place. But let's see. So to those who agree, your responses indicate that you can use different types of media in online course, solve minor problems, and work in online groups. So congratulations, you agreed on those questions. To those who are not sure or those who did agree, you may need to experiment using different types of media, such as audio, learn an online course, self-reliance to solve minor problems or make decisions about your learning is also important. As you may work in online group, you will need to sharpen your communication skills. So there will be times that I will ask you to group yourselves. What I remembered when the previous years when we were in the classroom, when I tell them to group themselves, they were undecided. They were choosy with their members, the group whom they wanted to be in. So in real life, we cannot choose who will work with. So it's just a matter of adjustments and to be ready to contribute something with the group. The fourth one is self-study habits. Let's check. So to those who agree, it seems that you have good study habits, you have a good working environment, and can set aside the time needed to succeed. So you can work independently. But not everyone can agree on that. To those who are not sure and those who disagree, to succeed in an online course, you must carefully choose a place to study that is compatible with your work habits. Devise a way to keep track of your assignments and due dates so you can plan your work, and you will also need to be willing to reach out to your teacher and fellow classmates when you have questions. So if you have questions, you can ask me, or you can also ask your classmates as well. And the next one is about technology skills. So those who agreed, it seems that you have good technology skills. Remember, if you need technical assistance, then you can contact me. To those who are not sure, consider identifying someone to serve as your technical support. And you may also be able to use the internet and web browser, perform search, do basic installation, perform simple troubleshooting activities. In case you need assistance, you can also ask me. And for the hardware and software requirements, those who says they agreed, it seems that you have adequate computer capabilities. The list of hardware and software required for online learning may vary slightly by course. So depending on the subject, there might be some applications that's required for that particular course. Example for mathematics or algebra, which needs some formulas to solve equations. So there might be some particular software in that particular course. So those who are not sure, your computer may need some upgrades or additional software installation to ensure the best possible online learning experience. You should have a modern, up-to-date operating system, up-to-date browser, fairly fast connection to the internet. Yeah, usually there's no problem with our internet here. Usually, but sometimes it will be down, but not all of the times. Just sometimes. You may consider some virus protection and possibly headphones with a microphone. And the complete list of hardware and software required for online learning may vary slightly by course. Okay, I think we have discussed all the results. And before we are about to end, here are some tips to be successful in an online learning course. First, be active course participant. Okay, so if you are asked to share something, you have to do your part as well. And have solid time management skills. This is really very important. Sometimes if we neglect our time, and time is lost, then we find ourselves cramming and having hard time doing our classwork because we all have problems with time management. Have effective communication skills as well. So if you are confused with something, then don't hesitate to ask. Have the ability to use a computer and related technology efficiently. I think there's no problem with that, as I can see that this age group is in the digital age. So we are familiar with using devices. Be self-motivated and self-disciplined. That's also very important. Have the ability to learn independently, yet work well with others. At the same time, set aside time each day or night to devote to your coursework. Okay, so let's go to our Q&A portion. Any questions or comments that you have or clarifications? You may turn on your microphone and be active with our discussion.
Mr. Eldon,
Yes?
do you have to download any apps?
As of now, no. We only had the one that I have. The one that I have discussed with you. Wait, sorry, did I show you the PowerPoint a while ago? I think I have not shared it. No, we don't need to download apps for now, Pure. Later on, I will inform you what app to download. By the way, by next week, we will start with our lesson. So this week, basically for informing guidelines and more on what to do with online procedures. Okay. So I will guide you through next week on what application to download. Thank you for that question. That's a very important question.
You will wait for your friends.
Wait, I think I forgot to share with you the screen a while ago. I'm sorry for that. But anyway, we have followed about our discussion.
Your science notebook. I will show it in the screen. Can you see that? It looks like this.
Okay, so if there's no more question, thank you for your participation. Have a great day, everyone. See you again tomorrow. It's time for the eye rest, and here's the workout for your eye rest. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, chưa?
Goodbye.
Bye.
So
Take care.
please prepare your notebook now.
Goodbye.
Bye.